Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge. Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhair ale. Today is the day 4 of my 30 days Uber X challenge. The expense for day 4 is £10 insurance, £18 car rental, £3 phone bill, £31 in total. Guys, this year the January is really quiet. I have never seen this quiet before. What is your opinion? How is work for you guys? Let me know in the comment box. Yeah, the earning for day 4 is 0 because I was off on day 4, so but still I had to pay £31 expense while I was sleeping at home and I was off, but I was negative £31. So guys, Uber is not easy. You have to work very hard to make living. Guys, follow my YouTube channel. I will be posting every day for the next 30 days with a full breakdown of my 8K monthly challenge. Guys, I have good news for you. When I reach 50K subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away an incredible 5 days all-inclusive holiday to Morocco or Dubai. You can choose, including flight ticket, hotel, breakfast, dinner. So one of my lucky subscriber will get this holiday. So why are you waiting? Follow me and you could be the winner. You are eligible for the giveaway from anywhere in the world, doesn't matter which country. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you with another video tomorrow. Bye now.